After I think close to a year, Nkrofo and a story about say Nkrofo bia your mo adwen say wo mo ebeye eye ku muni amokai Ala Jones and Sam Hospital bia ye ko ho ko hu say Nkrofo bi ye tuo ne nyama omo plot say wo mo beye ku dita no em say sansem no we reported extensively on those issues. Now I think close to a year ni and I say womo kwaba sa na nini nemu no mo da remand na I say ye nya charge womo ye but still na womo ewo ye prison for and the story eba and they say ya granted some of them bail na I say finally ye beja ebimo na womo akofie no mu nyom freedom after close to a year of being in police custody. Na bail na ye dem womo no 10 million na me ready ensembi argument womo lawyer what the court ma judge no what na so hu say okay yen grant womo bail no judge na what na asem so no your friend no Justice Samuel K Asiedu. Now send me din kan tell no nkrofo na asisi aye charge womo for aye coup d'etat nsem no de bebre em say police penyi wowom asoja fo nso ewom em say asoja mba bi su wom aside aye Dr. McPam Frederick ya McPam no. So what we are hearing, and it's 8 out of 10 people have been granted bail to the tune of 10 million Ghana cedis. Now one, sa 8 no, Dr. Frederick Yamakpam, only cry ye kasa wono ena woye master brainer, the mastermind behind the whole thing no, wono wakomo ya grant womo bail ne ho. CEO, onwani CEO of Sidatel Hospital na ye kano. Now, Donyo Kafui wono so ya granting the bill na wono na ye ka say we ye blacksmith ye ko fa no e free ye inkunya ne sa alabanyo area no say won bran be ye tuo no wono Bright Alandebra wono so e kan obi na Bright Alandebra yi ejuma ye se o ye ne say em say sa clearing agent for ye abi ena Colonel Samuel Kojo Gamali, one of asojafo na ye chi omo se womo nso eka coup plotters no ho no wono nso ya granting the bill. Corporal Seidu Abubakar me mamoti ase se police for ye chi ye no womo enye ba akopɛ police penyi Benjamin Agozo nso ye chi no but ye sanso chi police bi a friend Seidu Abubakar and a Lance Corporal Sylvester Akankpewu ono nso ya granting a bill. Johannes Zikpli ono nso ya granting a bill. Ono nso Johannes Zikpli ono wo Ghana Armed Forces intino me mamoti as I said your Sancho security personnel bi na wo ye adwuma ewo Flagstaff House inti san crofoni na no. So these 8 people have been granted bail. Now every week bail conditions no as them say every week was say we mo visited the BNI head office twice. Inti wo hwa na watwi bia mu no was say we mo ko BNI for her echo report yo mo every 2 days. Inti enfa ne say na watwi mu no mo apeki 2 days no mo akọ ni na eka bail conditions no eno ho ni na no nto no ya je wo mo passport na tre say wo mo ntumi ento kwan enko bibia yesizi wo mo passport eno nso ewo ho inti na no ni asemo a eda ho. So in a way obi beka say yes they have been freed for now because social since time and sem the course no they weren't allowed to go home close to a year ni. They've just been in the custody of the police. Omo a year police custody sa prison sa na your mobile court. So for the very first time they've been freed to go home. And so I think for their family and themselves no that's good news because as some say if you are fighting a case now we'll fight it from the house it is much more better than you fighting it from remand the ayedin but if you fear na ya oba no better what you say because nkwan pa bi obehwe nkwan pa bi ati ase wa fe wo yere ana bibi. So that is what is coming through. Now let me go on the arguments made by their lawyer judge ni hu say okay ne kre yen guarantee o bail no because what charges are the boy wo mo a enye easy treason and say first no not those charges your charges bia ye chi wo bi sa na nipa ko no yen guarantee ne bail because I've told you say in a land the biggest charges are treason and murder na nanse ya na Ghana sa charges yi ye say ye guarantee first ni ye charge you with murder udi agro ye ma bail a non bailable but see here every single case is a bailable offense in Ghana. And you know, good news to them. The law is working. I'm say embrana sa obi baka say ene nkofu ya plan say na moma. Oh, that's one side of embra. The law is working now. So that's what is going on. Inti let's just read on in some our lawyer no ekan in some our kan e wo court a ma ye grant o mobile no. Now, lawyer no, the lawyer for the main mastermind. Omo person aban person yeti ase Dr. McPam, my friend of Mr. Victor Kojoga Adawudu. Now, in some wa wakan e court ni was say especially a soldier for na e wom no. Wa catch judge ne say a soldier for was system there your friend the provost marshal. As a provost marshal no ye soja ni na okodibo ni bia na ye soja ni na de okokot ni nyama sa provost marshal no wo ni ebeda wo so ntuntumi ndwane nko bebia nti wo say e wo say enkrofu ye jai wo mo na wo mo kofie because one thing about bail ne say the entia eto de bia police for empese be granting enkrofu bail ne say e bia na say nipa ko no we dwane Inti lawyer no argue wa court say enkrofu yankasa no wo mo soldier for system a wo mo de monitor wo mo de da embe make sure say enkrofu wo mo ndwane inti munja mo no mo nkofie they've been in custody for close to a year so just leave them and let them go home so that was one of the arguments we make here say they've been in police custody for almost a year now and by law no they are innocent because Ghana mrane say even obi kobo krono na wo chi nipa ko no kra the person is innocent until proven guilty. Inti by law no there for now they are innocent. Inti o ka tre judge no say sisi ade nsem amode ato omo so no wo mo ye innocent because ruling enyamba e. Inti ebe ye say obi a wo ye innocent nso de fie na wo se woko. Inti yesremo munja omo no munko fie. That was one of the arguments. Wo wi no kan say Senia Ghana has say any aban a publicize ama ne client no wo looking very very wicked no. They are determined to come to the court to prove their innocence. Munti Assembly, that was also one of the arguments from their lawyer. So what share senia because in Gofu de ne crack ya say wo mudin a enye easy. So omo na wo mo plan coup d'etat ne nsensem. Inti lawyer me say san krofu pese wo mu prove say wo mo nyehwe because wo mo de ye chi wo mo na asem wo mo kan say de aban de to wo mo so no eye frame enye ne kre. Inti they are determined and willing to prove to Ghanaians say enye ne kre inti wo mo mpo de ye jai wo mo a because wo mo mbra court every day kra wo mo beba because wo mo nim say they will prove themselves through that say de ye de to wo mo so na enye ne kre. Inti yenje omo no munkofie na they are people of substance wo mobusianfo enkrofo bi asebe enye kwahwe kwafo bi nkrofo aye bu omo wo society nim wo wi no sanso ka se ne nkrofo ikra no wo mo bedwane akohe coronavirus aba wo dwane akohe lawyer yi lawyer yi smart o si coronavirus aba ne nkrofo yi amudi omo ahye custody no munja omo no mu nkofie omo ndwane nko bebia one abai atutu borders mu it want to mean gase walk of a plane edwane fi Ghana because they are closing down border aside that krano coronavirus aba okofia wo ndwane akoshe he yesi wo bia nhye fie nti yesre judge munja yomo no munko fie no mungo show mu fie na wo mo yere no mo nko hwe nkwan da bi ati ase wo mo ma hu omonim ehu ne se da ba fie nti eno so one of reason wo mo lawyer no a lawyer for ebi we smart o ebi mu smart but when no na an opposing the state attorney was a state attorney into another lawyer we state attorney for the charges name bo it is state attorney no sorry e ka say judge obo nsem no kanenia obo o yo bill we mu ujai omo a wo mu mba o ujai omo a wo mu mba court biom ujai obo say kim wo mu bedwane wo mba court biom ti menja omo the lawyer ne kania obo but ni name no bo mo lawyer no na no ye den e na no so eye de esin state attorney no inti no judge no e ka se ne kre yen grant wo mu bail no na wo mu nkofie enkohwe enkwan de etiefo yen hwe de ebesi won try mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo me da say